IRCC holds a new CEC-focused express entry draw with the lowest CRS. Hey everyone, welcome back. We have a major express entry update that many of you have been waiting for. Canada has just held a brand new Canadian Experience class draw, and this one is different, not only in size but in the CRS score, which has now dropped to the lowest we've seen all year for CEC candidates. Let's break down exactly what happened and what this means for anybody working in Canada right now. The big announcement. On 17th December, IRCC issued 5,000 invitations to apply under the Canadian Experience class. This alone is big, but what really caught everyone's attention is the CRS requirement. The minimum score for this draw was 515. Yes, 515, the lowest CRS cutoff for any CEC draw in the entire year of 2025. And because of this huge drop, many candidates who were stuck around the low 520s or high teens may finally be getting their shot at PR. To qualify, candidates needed to have an active express entry profile submitted before 9 September 2025 at 6:58 p.m. UTC. Why this draw is important? This round signals a noticeable shift in IRCC's selection trends. Earlier in the year, CEC cutoffs regularly sat at 533, 534, 529, all significantly higher. The sudden drop to 515 shows that IRCC is making room for more in-Canada workers as the year comes to an end. But here's what makes this even more interesting. This is the second consecutive CEC draw in just 1 week. IRCC rarely conducts back-to-back CEC draws this close together. But between 10th December and 17th December, that's a combined 11,000 CEC invitations issued. This strongly suggests a push to transition temporary residents into permanent status before the year wraps up. December is now one of the busiest months of 2025. This month alone has already seen 5 express entry draws covering CEC, PNP, Healthcare and Social Services, French language candidates. And just a week ago, 10th December CEC round was the largest CEC draw in more than 16 months. So clearly, December is turning into a high-activity period as IRCC works to meet annual immigration targets. A quick look at 2025 draw activity. With this new draw included, IRCC has now issued 107,998 ITAs in 2025. And most of these have come from targeted or category-based selections rather than general all-program draws. What this means for you? If you're already working in Canada, this is one of the most encouraging updates of the year. A CRS cutoff of 515 means IRCC may continue lowering the threshold to meet targets. If this trend holds, we could see more CEC candidates receiving ITAs without needing a provincial nomination or a category-based advantage. So keep your profile updated, ensure your language tests and work experience are accurate, and be ready, because more movement in the CEC stream is likely coming. Conclusion. If you want to stay ahead of every express entry update as it happens, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll continue tracking the December draw patterns closely, and with the way things are moving, we may have more activity before the month ends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next update. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.